Hello friends, it's here another video. Now this is how we are making strips and we are folding it in such a way that it looks something like this. This is how we are trying to fold it and this is how it looks like a jumpy jack. Now you're trying to paste it on top of it so that it will make a nice play ducky. And you can play with your ducky like this. Next one is we are taking a plastic glass and this is how we are trying to give it a pattern and trying to open it from top side in such a way that it looks like this, and this is how you are trying to paste eyes on it in such a way that it looks like a frog. Now next in the sequence what we are doing, we are taking ice cream script. We are trying to decorate it using color pens and this color you are giving according to your wish. Like this is how we are giving a sky blue color, but you can give whatever color you wish to. This is how you can make a flag. Next in the sequence we are having a purple color paper. Now you are trying to cut it out in such a way using knife, using scissor in such a way that it makes a pattern like this, and this is how you are trying to fold it out. You are putting it inside that such that it makes a nice shark shape. This is how you are trying to give it eyes, and you can make different color shark whatever you wish to. Next in the sequence we are having pink color cloth and this is how you're trying to fold it out, and you're trying to fold it in such a way that it makes nice this thing, a teddy look. So this is how you can give eyes to it and decorate it with ribbon. Our teddy is ready. Next in the sequence you are having a butterfly. You are trying to stick it out in such a way that it looks like a flying butterfly. This is how you can fly your butterfly. Next in the sequence we are having a bottle, that plastic water bottle ka nip, that lead you are taking, and what you are trying to do, you are trying to make a circle on it in such a way that it looks like a insect. This is how you can make a nice live insect, and you can play with it like by tying the thread, and this is how you can move it around. Next in the sequence we are having a yellow colored paper and this is how you are cutting it out in such a way that it makes a nice happy smiley face, and this is how you are pasting it out so that it looks like a cap, and this is how you can make a different colors also, and this is how you can do a different two-sided face. Next in the sequence we are trying to make a drawing on a white sheet and you are making a panda drawing, a panda. Now you are trying to make a color out of it and pasting it inside that polythene. You are trying to cut it out in such a way that it makes a nice pattern over there. This is how you are trying to give it a nice color look. Next in the sequence we are having a blue paper and we are trying to make a duck on it, swan on it. This is how you are giving white colors to it in such a way that on top you are having something like grasses, and this is your swan. Next in the sequence we are having a polythene in such a way that you are giving it a different colors, and after that what you are trying to do, you are trying to make something like this in a white sheet, and this is how your dragon look is made. Fine, what you are doing after that, you are trying to color it out, you are trying to make that feathers and giving it colors. After that you are trying to paste it on that polythene. This is how you are making a different fish.